Hello and welcome. I'm your host, Theo Dorsey, and on this episode of the Palm Beaches TV Watch Party series, we're celebrating National Pride Month. From insightful interviews to powerful stories, we'll showcase the spirit of pride in the Palm Beaches. Get ready for a kaleidoscope of events and activities from grassroots beginnings to spectacular celebrations. Pride Month is a call for greater unity, visibility, and equality for the LGBTQ+ community, and a time to reflect on the history and milestones of the years past.
Palm Beach County residents can walk with pride at the 3 Pride Streetscapes in Delray Beach, Boynton Beach, and in Northwood Village, just north of West Palm Beach. The crosswalks feature the 6 colors of the traditional rainbow flag.
It took us 2.5 years to get this project through in West Palm Beach. Last summer, we dedicated the first LGBTQ public art here in Palm Beach County. Since then, we've had 2 other dedications. So Pride is busting out all over here in Palm Beach County.
Love it. Now, why a crosswalk?
I used to serve on the Art and Public Places Committee. One day we had a session and they said we have roughly 60 crosswalks that need to be repaired, and we're thinking about having them painted. And I raised my hand and said, I want a rainbow crosswalk. Everybody kind of laughed, so I explained the significance of the rainbow crosswalk. Yep. And everyone said, great, that's what we're going to do. Northwood, this is an older community in terms of the businesses. This is the heart, historically, of the LGBTQ business community in West Palm Beach. Yeah. So we have an intersection with 4 Pride crosswalks. Yeah. It's the original Pride flag. The other 2 art installations we have are the progressive Pride flag.
Tell me about the growth that's happened here.
In the 1980s, this was a relatively distressed area. Right. It's really been quite an effort by the local residents to make their neighborhood something special. It's really been a wonderful improvement here to see there's a place where our community can feel at home and others can come and visit.
And it's such a unique vibe here, even as compared to other parts of Palm Beach County.
It's a little bit edgier, a little bit more creative.
Yeah. Now, tell me a little bit about the Palm Beach County Human Rights Council and sort of your role in that and how that works.
I'm an attorney, and when I was applying for jobs as an attorney, I got discriminated against because I'm openly gay. I didn't hide it from anybody there. So I said, when I come back to Palm Beach County, we're going to do something about that. Back in 1988, I founded the Palm Beach County Human Rights Council. We exist to change laws so that LGBTQ people have the same rights, the same benefits, and the same protections as women, minorities, and for that matter, everybody else.
For more than 2 decades, Palm Beach Pride has served as the county's largest LGBTQ festival. The 2-day event features a parade, live performances, and entertainment for all ages and draws in businesses and people from the county and beyond. The event is presented by Compass. Compass is a community center located in Lake Worth with educational programs and resources for all ages across the county. Let's speak to Julia Murphy and learn a little bit more. As community centers go, this is really nice. So tell me a little bit about a Compass.
So we've been around since 1988. We started as a Stop AIDS project to address the HIV and AIDS crisis and expanded to Compass Community Center in 1992. We are a community center at its heart. This actual area, it was created to be an exhibit for the community. So this is all work donated or contributed from community members. We are the direct service provider for the LGBT community here in Palm Beach County. We provide HIV and AIDS services and then youth services as well. We actually provide the largest cultural event here in Palm Beach County called Palm Beach Pride, and we started that in 1992. And it started at Howard Park, and it was a little picnic, and then now we're at Bryant Park in Lake Worth. We're about 30,000 people annually.
What?
Yeah, each year we bring out in March.
Where do they come from? All over?
All over. It's more of a family-friendly environment, and I think that's what Palm Beach County represents as well. Entertainment, vendors on the Intercoastal, and then Sunday we kick off the parade. Children, families, but you can come as your authentic self, and it's a really welcoming environment.
How do they find out about Compass and about your events?
People talk, you know, and the LGBT community, people are there to help you find the things and connect you. We take care of our community, and it's really important to make it feel welcoming and authentic.
what other things happen here in the building?
In the evening, we lend the space to groups that want to meet here. So we're hosting events constantly. We have groups every single night. And all around, we really just want to open a welcoming environment for people to come in and change the minds of what it means for an LGBT community center. It really is impactful when people come together and show support and solidarity. It makes everyone feel accepted.
Palm Beach County is a welcoming and safe destination for the LGBTQ community. From food to shopping to sports, you'll find something for everyone to enjoy. The Gay Polo League is the only LGBTQ polo organization in the world, and you'll find it right here in our backyard. I'm ready to train with the pros for the International Gay Polo Tournament. You're a person that liked to do something, wanted to do it, and said, you know what, I'm gonna start my own. How does one start their own polo league?
I started the Gay Polo League purely out of a selfish motive. I had wanted to increase my social life within the LGBT community.
Great.
And I wanted to do something around an activity. I took a polo lesson by myself in Santa Barbara, California, and halfway through the lesson, I pulled up and I said to the pro, you know, I've decided I'm gonna start a Gay Polo League. And that's how it started, 2006.
It's an international
Now,
polo league
yeah.
now?
It started sort of as a ragtag informal group. I would invite my friends, they'd invite their friends, and then literally it just caught on and we started getting members in other states and other cities, and now we are in 14 countries.
Incredible.
And we host 3 international events a year.
If I wanted to join, can I join?
You can. You can, because we're gay identified, but we're inclusive, not exclusive. And we also, as a league, understand the importance of allies is very real. We're very inclusive of all levels of players as well. We have blended teams,
Right.
but in our higher events like Palm Beach, our level of polo play is higher.
Sure.
I think we are brand ambassadors for our community, but we're really a high-end sporting event within the LGBT space.
Wow. Thank you so much, Frank. Now, let's head over to one of my favorite places and catch up with the incredible host of Passport to the Palm Beaches, Jacqueline Journey.
We're here at Palm Beach Pride in gorgeous downtown Lake Worth Beach. This 2-day event is full of vendors, food, fun, music, and so much more. Bring your pets, bring your kids. It's a great time right here on Passport to the Palm Beaches.
I gotta live. I gotta live right. Every day is breaking me down. I'm a hammer, I'm gonna break ground. So I know that the glory's coming any day, anyway. I'll make 'em say tonight I'm living my life. Gonna let go of what I like. There's a voice inside confining me, defining me. I gotta live.
Oh, the little doggies are so cute.
I gotta live.
Excuse me, could I get a rainbow flag? Thank you so much.
I gotta live
Hey, skip what you claim to be. If we was in the same picture frame, you can't hang with me, cause you're lame, you see. I'm fresh to my last hour, so hot I turn the steam when I step out the shower. Gucci for the groupies, Prada when it's hot. The Fifth Ave shopper got my dress game proper. But skip that, I gotta keep it positive. Ain't nobody hotter, kid, you know why?
I gotta live.
Perfect weather for this. Perfect weather for this.
I gotta live.
I found the best dress right here.
You know, a day like today, it's all about unity, community, coming together, loving your neighbors, and that's exactly what we're doing here today.
We're here at Palm Beach Pride with Michael from the Compass Community Center. You guys
Yes.
put on this incredible event.
Yes.
I'd love to know a little bit more about the history of this and how it all came together.
Goodness. Yeah, well, Palm Beach Pride started in 1992, actually. This is our 30th anniversary. And now I've heard different things, but I think that the first Pride was just a group of people meeting in a park. And it was really small, and it's grown into this.
It's absolutely incredible. I mean,
Yeah.
great food, great music, great vendors. The
Yeah.
entertainment's amazing.
Yeah.
The parade is incredible.
Yeah.
Well, what has been the biggest challenge in putting on this event? I mean, it's quite something.
So Compass is a small Community Center, but we're the LGBTQ Community Center for the Palm Beaches. And we have a team of 3 people that put this on, so it's a lot. Yeah, but the most challenging thing is just making sure that we have enough for everybody.
The Norton Museum of Art is such a great spot. Be sure to check out the museum's upcoming Art After Dark Pride Night, celebrating the LGBTQ+ community. The celebration includes performances, art making, a special collaboration with the Compass Community Center, and much, much more. Well, that does it for this episode of the Palm Beaches TV Watch Party series. I'm Theo Dorsey. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you join us next Tuesday for another episode right here on YouTube. And make sure you follow us on social.